Taiwan Semi, TSM, Earnings Release Analysis. July 20, 2023. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing is scheduled to release their earnings report on July 20, 23, but we are not sure whether it is pre-market or post-market. In this article, I would like to do an analysis on the current market sentiment, fundamentals, and technical analysis for TSM. Hopefully, we would be able to find a trend and plan for an entry price for TSM before its earnings report for Q2 2923 release. Taiwan Semi, TSM, Earning Data. TSM is scheduled to release their earning on July 20, 2023, but not sure whether will it be pre-market or post-market. But I would expect its EPS to perform much better than $1.07. Taiwan Semi, TSM, Past EPS and Estimate. Based on how TSM has beat the EPS estimate for the last 3 quarters, I would believe the EPS released would beat estimate. Taiwan Semi, TSM, Year-to-date earnings. TSM has a good YTD earnings of more than 40%, and this would give confidence of a better earnings report on July 20, 2023 expected. With the demand for AI both software and hardware, TSM would be supporting the AI hardware manufacturers. Taiwan Semi, TSM, Sentiment Analysis. Market sentiment from blogger, news, and crowd wisdom have been positive, with investors increasing their holdings by 0.2%, 7 days, and 2%, 30 days. Hedge funds have also increased their shares by 191.6k in the last quarter. I believe market is still very confident of TSM growth and future. Taiwan Semi, TSM, Fundamentals. TSM has a more than 30% ROE, return on equity, for 12 months trailing. This would mean that we can expect more growth coming in the upcoming earnings report. Taiwan Semi, TSM, price change before and after earnings. For the last 4 quarters earnings, TSM stock price have increased more than 2% before and after earnings. I would expect TSM to be trading upwards from Monday, July 17, and I would be considering to take a position. I will share my target price in the summary section. Taiwan Semi, TSM, option chain and prices. Looking at the option chain and prices, I would be expected an earnings move of around 5%. This would be a good time to start planning your position on Wednesday, July 19. Technical Analysis, Average Directional Index, ADX. ADX show that TSM is having a developing trend. Plus D is above D with a wide range, this indicate a strong bullish upwards trend. This has given confidence that TSM would continue to move upwards with a strong bullish trend even after its earnings report. Technical Analysis, Parabolic SAR. From the SAR chart, we can see that TSM has started the bullish reversal. This analysis has shown inline sentiment with what we just saw in ADX. This would give confidence that TSM would be giving a positive earnings report and should be able to continue trending upwards strongly. Summary. From the fundamental and past earnings analysis, plus the technical analysis, I would believe that it is a good time to enter TSM from Monday, July 17. The analysis has given me confidence that this is a good opportunity to take advantage of TSM's strong developing bullish trend. Appreciate if you could share your thoughts in the comment section whether you think TSM developing bullish trend would pose a good opportunity for you to take a position. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action.